What's going on, you guys? It's Jacob and Jay behind the camera this time.
What up, guys?
Yeah, man, we're here with my car, Betty White, 2018 Focus ST.
Ooh, son, check her out, boy. Dang,
We're actually doing the
son.
intro after we got the spark plugs done. Yeah, let's go and get into it.
Hey, guys, real quick.
Wait, am I recording? Okay, yeah.
Hey, guys, real quick. On these outer two, cylinder 1, cylinder 4 coil packs, they have studs instead of bolts, which is basically still like a bolt or nut, mainly because your wire harness clips onto the top of this.
Yeah, on both sides. It's like right here next to the
And you know, go from one to another tonight. It's to the old girl purr. What? Let's go. Guys, let's go.
Are you gonna lead off, or do you want me to lead off?
What? That. Anyway, you guys seen? We just knocked out the spark plugs. Did the throttle seem like it was a little bit more responsive for you?
Yes.
Because I mean, those plugs, guys. If you did, I mean,
Yeah.
you obviously seen the video of them.
Yeah.
They're pretty burnt up. I mean, car stays high boost a lot, so.
Yeah, definitely me driving.
Yeah. So.
But just what, 2 quick tips?
Yes, 2 really quick tips, guys.
Whenever you're going to take off this upper piece of the air intake, you can actually, or you might as well go ahead and take this battery cover off. You're able to get to that screw back there.
Yeah.
And then these clips on the cool packs, what you do is the white piece, you pull it back.
And then press down on
Yeah.
the back and pull it off.
Yep.
Easy system. I was just looking at Clifford. Clifford set up the same exact way.
Yep.
So.
But I mean, besides that, everything's pretty much straightforward.
Yep. 100% straightforward.
Yeah, and earlier in the video, I should have put a parts or a tools list. So.
Yeah. Pretty simple. 8mm socket.
Yep. No, a 5/8 spark plug socket, and then a
Flathead
magnet.
screwdriver, magnet,
Yeah,
or
magnet.
depending on what intake you may have on your car. You may have a Cobb or something like
Yeah.
that.
Yes, sir.
Easy peasy. We got one other car to get done
As
tonight.
you can see over there.
Yeah, we got
Good shot.
Clifford over here, hoods up on him. And we'll get to that in just a minute because you're going to probably get back-to-back videos on one day this week. So
Yeah, most likely.
yeah, if not one today, or you're watching this one may have dropped right behind it, maybe a day after.
Yeah, who knows?
Yeah, because we've got one little surprise to unleash here in a minute
Yep.
on the other video. So you want to get at that? Let's get at it, man. Guys, remember, hit the thumbs up button, please.
Yes.
Hit the thumbs up button. That gets us trending. The more thumbs up we get, the higher up on that list we get.
Yes, sir.
Also, subscribe. Where'd they move it to? It's up.
Probably down there somewhere.
I don't remember. Anyway, hit the subscribe button. Share the videos. Get us out there.
Yeah, man.
We're up to, as of right now, 126 subscribers. Whoa.
Hey,
I mean, it's
gotta
good.
start somewhere.
Yeah, it's good. We're proud of it. Very proud of
Yeah,
it.
man.
So, but keep showing us love. Comment down below what you want to see next.
Yeah.
We do have Goldilocks coming back soon.
Yes.
Part
And
3.
Barney.
Part 3. Oh yeah, we got a Barney video.
And Barney coming up. All right, man.
We got pieces of Barney coming up.
Yeah.
We got to order some stuff in and
Yeah.
to go with something
Yeah,
else.
you'll see that later.
Yeah.
You'll see that later.
We got some work to do. So,
All right.
all right, man. Guys, like always, remember, Brittany is
Oh.
behind us taking video and pictures of us. Sorry.
Screw me up.
All right, guys. As always, remember,
Dream
dream
big.
big.
I'm probably gonna leave that in.